had a report of something that's been going on today.
Yeah.
With you and the law enforcement agency. So at the moment you are detained.
I'm detained?
Yeah, until we figure out
Oh, mate, thank you so much.
Has been provided, okay?
Yeah, you're going to put hands on me here?
I'm not going to cuff you.
No, you're putting hands on me.
I've got my hand on you.
Let's go to the person.
No, so you're not going to go down here. You're going to stay here for.
Am I?
Okay, yeah.
Wicked.
So you're going to stay here until we figure out what's going on. At the minute you're detained.
I'm detained.
So you're not under arrest.
Good.
Until
I know what I'm doing. This ain't my first rodeo, love.
Okay.
Can you just tell this gentleman
so you can't go over
that I'm allowed to film in public?
For me, okay?
Can you tell him I'm allowed? No, I'm not going to. You got your hands on me.
I've got my hand.
Get your hands off me.
If you continue to be aggressive, then you will be cuffed. Okay?
Go on then, cuff me. Go on.
At the minute,
I haven't done anything.
I'm trying to figure out what's going on. I'm not saying.
I'm filming him in public.
Okay. I'm not saying.
I'm filming him in public, like this.
Stay here for.
My camera.
Calm down. Calm down.
The camera don't lie, love.
I'm not saying that you've done anything wrong.
Yeah, you are. You're detaining me. You're holding me.
From the moment this officer arrives, her response is reckless. Within seconds, she detains the auditor based on nothing more than vague hearsay. No clear allegation, no identified offense, just assumption disguised as suspicion. She even restrains him while admitting, "I'm not saying you're doing anything wrong." Think about that. She is physically holding a person she knows hasn't broken the law. That's not policing, that's unlawful detention. The auditor was simply filming in public, exercising a legal right. Instead of assessing, questioning, or investigating, she skipped straight to control. Because for her, force was easier than accountability.
All these people think that I'm doing wrong, and you're holding me over something this little goon over here said.
Right, calm down, okay? You don't want to be calling people names in the street, okay?
Goon.
I heard what you said.
It's not illegal, love.
I didn't say
Get your hand off me.
No.
Yes.
You are being detained until, calm down, until I figure out what's going on. Are you okay?
Ma, I walk around filming people. It's what I do.
Okay,
it's not weird. He can't just call you. He's called the police, and you come up to me and put your hands on me.
You are detained.
And detain me.
Yeah. Calm down.
What time did you detain me?
I know.
Can you identify yourself?
Yeah, look, I'm in full uniform.
Are you recording? Are you recording?
Yeah, I'm recording.
Why haven't you told me you're recording? You need to tell me at the first opportunity.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
Should we get your things up so we can have a look at it?
And this is always on. It's never got on camera.
Mate.
Okay?
When the auditor asks whether he's being recorded, something officers are required to disclose immediately. The response is a casual apology, followed by "we don't need to." That's completely incorrect. Under Pace Code G and UK policing guidance, if an encounter is being recorded, especially during detention, the individual must be informed. Transparency is meant to protect both the public and the police. But here, the officer failed to provide ground for detention and withheld basic information while restraining someone who committed no crime. That's not accountability. That's concealment.
No, I won't. Calm down. You're putting out like. Do I look like a criminal to you?
I know you're a lovely boy.
Exactly. Do I look like a criminal to you? So why are they? You're grabbing me.
Listen.
I'm telling you what. There's a funeral going on over here.
Exactly.
Right.
So calm
Let's
down.
go over here.
So calm down. I've tried to come down here. Tried to.
You? Goon.
Come on, calm down.
Put me in the van. Go on.
I'm not putting you in the van. I'm sitting here.
No, I'm not sitting nowhere.
If you just sit here,
I'm not taking no directives off you. I was filming in public.
That's fine.
I'm a man with a camera, not a gun.
No, we know.
Favour,
We're
sit
just trying
there.
to find out what's
No, I'm not doing you any favour.
Just sit there.
I'm not doing you any favour.
Calm
No.
down for a minute.
you go.
I am.
Listen.
You're going to make negotiations with me when I've done nothing
I'm
wrong.
not trying to negotiate. We're just
At the minute,
You
I
can't
can't figure out what's gone on because I'm dealing with you. Just calm
No,
down. Stay
don't
there.
push me.
Stay there.
She's pushing me.
Stay there.
She's pushing me.
My camera's on.
You're all right. You haven't done anything.
Why? Stop pushing me
All I
then.
want you to do
Stop. No.
is stay here.
You're controlling me. You're trying to give me directives.
Yeah.
I haven't done
So I'm
anything.
trying to figure out what's going on.
Well, listen to me.
Even when the auditor calmly tries to explain himself, the officer continues using unnecessary force and repeats the same hollow excuse. "I'm trying to figure out what's going on." But she isn't listening. So how could that be true? You can't discover facts by silencing the person you're detaining. This is a textbook case of confirmation bias. She decided he was in the wrong before he even spoke, and every word or movement only reinforced her assumptions. Instead of assessing fairly and communicating, she treated lawful behavior as a threat. And that's why encounters like this don't end on the street. They end in court.
Both parties.
Listen to me. No.
Okay, I know, I understand. Listen, calm down. Doing that and pointing out to him
Right,
and,
sorry.
and causing more issues is going to make something
Go
happen,
down to the
isn't it?
cube. Go down to the cube. Do inquiries down there.
Because I'm dealing with you. I can't go and
Blah,
see
blah,
you.
blah,
I
blah.
can't go and
Don't
see
put your hands on my property.
Don't point that in my face.
I'll point it wherever I
Put it in
want.
my face, okay? Listen. Just explain what's happened.
I was filming the back of a Securico van, like a G4S, like that. And he's gone up to the man and said, "Oh, he's filming you." And then he's like, "Oh, I don't give you permission to film me. I'm in public." Go and explain to him that I can film in public.
Was that any reason you can?
Yes, because I can. Because this is what happens when you do.
Listen.
No, I want to
stay
hear
here
what
for
you're
me.
saying.
No, you're not.
No.
You're not going to make the situation worse.
Why are you putting hands on me?
Because you're trying to get involved and make the situation
No,
worse.
I'm not.
All I'm trying to do...
I need to hear what he's saying.
No, you don't.
Yeah, I do.
No, you don't.
I'm walking down the road filming,
Yeah, okay.
and
Listen.
you're just a goon.
Listen.
Now jog on.
Down. Stop. There's no...
Have you detained me as well?
No, you are detained.
Have you detained me? You detained me.
I detained you.
What station are you
I'm
like?
from Pembroke Dock Station.
Yeah?
719.
Another Pembroke Dock Station.
719. There you go. You can
Yeah.
get in full force of your camera.
I'm waiting for 720 quid off on you
Oh, right.
for illegal detainment.
Oh, okay.
When the auditor reveals that he is already set to receive £720 in compensation from the same police force for a previous unlawful detention, this incident becomes even more shocking. You would expect a payout to make the force more careful and more compliant with the law. Instead, they repeat the same misconduct in real time. If financial penalties don't lead to behavioral change, then these aren't isolated mistakes. They are symptoms of a pattern of abuse that continues because the system has never truly been held accountable.
Stand out the way for me.
No, you pushed me, you put hands on me, everybody's seen it, it's all on camera, mate.
Because you keep on wanting to go over there, so I'm trying to prevent you.
I don't want to go nowhere near that
going over there, okay?
person.
And who said it's all on our cameras as well?
Yeah, and it's all on my camera.
I know.
Fine.
I know it's all on your camera.
I haven't done anything wrong, like.
Listen, I haven't said you have.
So
I'm saying-
why grab my arm and make me
I'm
look like a
saying to
criminal
you-
in front of everybody in Tenby, like?
Listen to me.
It's a small town.
Listen to me.
I'm allowed to film. Why aren't you going over there and telling him?
Listen, my colleague's over there to speak to him. Right.
Honestly, I swear on my kids' lives, I was like filming the G4S. He said, "Oh, he's filming you." And then the G4S man said, "Oh, you can't film me in pub. You can't film me. I don't give you permission to film me." What's his job? He's in a public, and he can't tell me not to film him in public.
Okay.
Can he?
Well, you know, I like it the same as we can't tell you.
When a G4S driver called the police claiming he was being filmed, the first question should have been simple. Where was the filming taking place? If the answer is in public, the matter ends right there, because recording in public is completely lawful. But that basic filter failed. The call was treated like a crime, and officers rushed in with force and detention without ever checking the legality. The auditor calmly explained the law, while the G4S guard behaved as if working in public granted him privacy. It doesn't, and that's a simple, inconvenient truth.
Am I like being criminalised?
I haven't arrested
Yeah,
you.
you've detained
I
me.
haven't said, yeah, but that's different to arrest.
Get off my arm.
We're not having this. We're not having this pulling to. Just stay here for me whilst we figure out what's going on. That's all I want you to do.
All I've done is filmed in public.
Okay? But because we've had a report,
Of what?
we just need to
What
see
is the report?
everybody that's involved. At the moment, I'm not sure. My colleague's over there trying to get more
I'm
information.
trying to speak to you about
Okay? This is what I'm trying to tell you. What was your name?
Really?
Why can't I ask you that question?
Because I don't need to give you it.
Okay, well, I'd like to know who you are.
Why?
Because I'm talking to you.
Why do you need to know who I
You've
am?
asked who I am because you're talking to me.
Yeah, that's your policy, isn't it?
Yeah, so
I ain't got no policies. I don't work for you.
I just asked you.
You work for me.
This moment highlights just how dismissive some officers can be of legal limits. She detains the auditor with no lawful grounds, then demands his name, not because the law requires it, but out of personal frustration after he asked for her details. That is not due process. It's tit-for-tat policing, and it's unprofessional. Her tone makes it worse. When reminded there's no legal duty to provide his name, she replies, Well, I'd like to know who you are. But policing is not about what officers want. It's about what the law allows. And here, none of the legal criteria for demanding ID were met.
Speak to you from the report that we've had, okay? So at this moment in time...
So at this moment in time, you're under arrest and a suspicion of harassment. So you do not have to say anything, but it may harm your defence. We do not mention when questions in court. Anything you do say may be given in evidence.
Cool.
Right? All right.
Well, we'll have to...
Arresting someone for harassment based on a vague complaint with no behavior that meets the legal definition is reckless. The auditor was simply filming a G4S van in public, which is fully legal. No threats, no repeated targeting, no harassment. Yet the officer escalated, grabbed him, and pushed for arrest. From refusing to clearly state grounds, to admitting she was recording without telling him, to demanding his name only because he requested hers. The entire interaction was a petty power trip, not policing. Claiming harassment was nothing more than a desperate attempt to justify force after his rights had already been violated. In the end, the auditor received £563 in compensation, a small financial win, but a powerful, symbolic one. It proved that abuse of authority doesn't go unnoticed. The real cost? Public trust, wasted resources, and a culture where some officers treat cameras as threats and the law as optional. This wasn't a mistake. It was a textbook example of poor training, worse judgment, and accountability arriving only after taxpayers pay the bill.